Okay, whoa, that was odd. There really wasn't supposed to be a mystery video. Now that I have it up, though, I don't know, you might have something coming to you. I really just needed some time. I thought I could make one this morning, and that didn't work out very well. But, I hope that you have a wonderful day at work, and that it goes by quickly, and that you can come home and relax and have a good day, whatever you decide to do. And I'm glad that you didn't have to, wake up at 4 in the morning. That's nice. I love you very, very much, and you're very cool, man. You're one of the coolest dogs around. You put on your mint cream and you walk around and you just exude coolness, and everyone everyone just wants to be your buddy, 'cause you're a cool dog. 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 You're just cool. Anyway, I love you. And I'm sorry that this isn't very good, but you do actually now, you have a mystery video coming. And it's going to be ridiculous. Are you ready? Are you ready? I love you.